Okay, today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2013 model Suzuki Jimny. The Jimny takes our CAFA67 cabin air filter, which we split in half so that you can bend it, because on some Jimnys they're a bit of a tight squeeze to get them in, so we've made it so it's flexible. Air filter is located below the glove box. It's easier to remove your glove box just to access the clips, so just squeeze in either side of your glove box and you just ease them past the sides. Just let your glove box lower down, and your clip to remove the cover is just here. You can reach it from underneath, but it's just easier to just put a small screwdriver in here and just let the cover come undone. And here you can see the cover underneath the glove box, so just remove it. That's the small clip that you just removed to let it unclip from the front face, and it just clips on, and it just clips on the back first. And then slide out your old cabin air filter, which is up in here. Slide in your new cabin air filter with our red acrylic base facing the driver's side. And then the filters just slide up in. Just gently ease them all the way in. Reinstall your cover, clip it on at the back first, and then just push it up until it clicks at the front. That clip is pushed back in, and then you can just reinstall your glove box. I removed it completely because it's easier to film without the glove box in the way, but they just unclip off the half hinges on the bottom. So just reinstall, close your glove box, and the job's done.